I have been very focused on OMG for a while now and jotting down the interesting bits in WordPad whenever I read an article, listen to a podcast, watch talks, meetups, and found something worth noting. I managed to clean it up a bit and format it for Reddit the best I could after getting all the new information from the town hall Q&A last night. As talking about each point would make this 30 times longer to go through, I tried to simplify it, but there is much more information to OMG than just this, and if you haven't looked into it yet, I think you should. OmiseGo origins and involvement in plasma development. Omise is a payment processing company started in 2013 and is now making the move to the blockchain. Omise's entire existing user base will be supported by OmiseGo. Omise has over 50,000 merchants and over 420 million customers, some seen here. Featured on cover of Forbes Thailand in October 2016 as Fintech Rockstars. Omise awarded the Digital Startup of the Year award in 2017 by Thailand's Prime Minister. Thailand Ministry of Finance integrated Omise FacePay technology blockchain lab created in 2015 involved in plasma development. Before its public announcement, merchant volume of over $30 billion from only what we know about first to run plasma and will provide scalability to Ethereum wallet. SDK is open source and white label, allowing any business or financial entity to use the network without a formal partnership. Anyone from a local bakery to PayPal and Visa could use the network simultaneously. Staking rewards for validating transactions paid out in your choice of coin * may be limited choices DEX that will provide cross-chain transfers to any coins and provide cash and out services. Currently working with many people on the development of Plasma aimed, including Joseph Poon, Vitalik, David Knott, now an OMG dev, Carl Flourish, and more. Plasma to allow 1 million TPS from the start and theoretically scale to billions. Wallet release in Q1 with conglomerate integration within a month of release. Staking available in Q2.